So you're given a question that asks, at what point will the graphs y equals 3 over 2x minus 5 and 3x minus 4y equals 8 intersect? First, what you're going to have to do is take your first equation and put it into your second equation in the y variable. Now, when you put the first equation into the second equation, it should look like this, and then you should get this. Now you would collect like terms, so it would be negative 3x plus 20 equals 8. So when you have this now, all you want to do is minus 20 from both sides. So minus 20, and you should get negative 3x is equal to negative 12. Then what you do from here is divide negative 3 from both sides, and x should be equal to 4. So now, when you've solved for x, you want to take x and put it into your first equation, and it should look like this. Now once you have this, all you got to do is solve. So y would equal to 12 over 2 minus 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6, so it's 6 minus 5, and then y should be equal to 1. The point of intersection is 4 and 1, and to check, we're going to use a graph. But first, we have to take the second equation and turn it into y equals mx plus b format. So to turn this equation into y equals mx plus b format, what you're going to have to do is take the y and bring it to the other side, and take the x, or take the 8 and bring it to the other side. So it would look like 3x minus 8 equals positive 4y. So then, when you have this, all you gotta do is divide each by 4, and it would be 3 over 4x minus 2 equals y. So your mx plus b format for this should be y equals 3 over 4x minus 2. So now onto the graph. We already know that our point of intersection is 4 and 1. So we would plot it. This is our point of intersection right here. So now we're going to plot our first equation. So here is the y-intercept. So we would plot it on negative 5. And using rise over run, we can find the other points. So we'd go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And then right 2. 1, 2. This is our second point. And then another point would be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So it's point right there. So our line's gonna kind of look weird, but it's gonna go like that. Now for the second equation, our first point is on negative 2 because of this, and then the rise over run is 3 over 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is our second point. Just graph that, and you would see that the point of intersection is 4 and 1.